In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block certain words, how to block and filter certain words from appearing in your posts comments. So to do that, first you want to click on these three buttons. Now you want to click follow settings. Here you will go all the way down, and then here you will see block list filter. You click on this, and here it will give you the ability to add up to 1,000 words. Let's say you want to add like some like fly, or you have to add commas between them. Say cow, eat. So I added these words, for example. So these three words will never be shown. They will automatically be hidden in any post that I publish. All the commentators, they won't be able to have these words in their comments. So after you do this, you just click save and you go back, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.